Right, this is a Rolex Vise, and the jaws and the anvil will be getting polished. I did manage to find another couple of these listed, so let's get on and devalue this one. Okay, now because we've used polish and we're going to paint it, you're going to have to give it a proper good wipe. This is a 70% alcohol wipe. Right, this is to get in all the detailed bits. I am, in another minute, going to give them a wipe with a shop towel soaked in alcohol. Just to make sure all the bits of polish are gone before painting. Do you remember how bad that anvil was? Well, it's not now. And what about those jaws? They had a few nicks and digs in them, didn't they? Well, again, not now. Shall we see the total finished result?